Do you know which letter comes after H? It is I. This is how you write the letter I. The sound of letter I is I.
This is our country, India. The boy is coloring the map of India. His friend is kicking the ball. There is an injection needle on the table. The boy drinks water.
The man is digging a hole. The pig likes to play in the mud. The words India, ink, injection all begin with the letter I. You can also hear the sound of letter I in pig, dig, kick and drink. Remember, the sound of the letter I is I.